Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade review for today. So finally we've got a daily close above the 200 EMA, okay, and we've also got a close above the last fractal. So that is a bullish signal there. What I'm looking for is still opportunities to get long. I am concerned that we are overbought, and pretty much if I look at the awesome oscillator, there's no momentum. So if we start drilling down to lower time frames, which is what we want to do, sort of trade this on a daily basis. We've got an inside bar. Let's just check that green bar. I think it'll be nonsense. Yep, that's nonsense data. So ignore this last bar. So we closed off with a red inside bar. That is fairly bearish, but we are in a very strong bull trend at the moment. So whatever happens, I would expect this fractal level to be tested anyway. This daily fractal, which is right here at 5180, I'd expect that to be tested and possibly even, coming down to this area here, which would then line up with, that one won't work. It will line up with, I'm going to just take this trend line here off this bottom to that pivot, to that fractal, to this fractal. Now ignore this one for now. Assume this is a fake out. Okay, so I would expect us to come down to that level, and then just for safety's sake, have that trend line in as well. So you've got two trend lines that you can expect to come and test, and both of them still gives us an upward trend. Okay, and a fairly strong, this one and this one here is a fairly strong channel. Okay, so what is the move? Let's get rid of the noise. So looking at the hour, what you need to do is pay attention to pretty much all of these fractal points. Now, the move yesterday was based on Eskom, the local power utility, implementing load shedding again. So the rand got hammered quite badly, very quickly, and was trading well over 15 again. I see it's back below 15 this morning. But that was pretty much the catalyst, and because the US markets were very stagnant and we weren't taking our lead from Europe or the US because there was nothing happening there, we traded the news locally. Okay, so, and obviously a weak rand bodes well for all our dollar-based stocks, which pushes the market up. So at this stage, trend is very much the upside. We've had a break of a flat top triangle. Okay, so I would expect a retest in this area before another opportunity to get long again. Okay, now just getting rid of the noise, I just want to just highlight something which I see is playing out quite often. So the first hour of trading, there's the first hour of trading there. Okay, you can see faked out to the downside. You would have expected it to hit the range target, then moves to the upside and pretty much hit the range target into profit there. Okay, now if we take this to that was the first 2 hours of trading, guys. Sorry, the principle's still the same. There's the first hour of trading. You can see same thing. 161, we reversed off it with a pin bar, which immediately gives you the indication, because that's a wise man number one. Alligator's moving up, pin bar. So that's a valid long entry. Anyway, if you see where we got to the range target, break above that opening high in the first hour, and we get the range target there. So the closing range strategy pretty much failed as well, off the 161 as well, but all the targets to the upside and more were hit. Okay, so it's just something which is sort of transpiring more often than not. And we look at the day before, You see a complete failure of the day before, but look where the range target is, right where we took profit. Okay, anyway, that's something for you to back test and have a look at. It is worth keeping in the back of your mind. Okay, so today there's no real fractals to the downside that we can target. On the 12 there are. Okay, so I would take the close and the high, which is pretty much our two fractal points. That's what we're looking for, a break. So a break below this fractal here of 52.13, I expect to move to the downside. And to be honest with you, I think that's more than likely, or maybe, I won't say a massive gap to the downside or a massive move to the downside, but more of a slow meander just to follow the international markets at the moment, because the international markets are in limbo right now, even with positive news coming through from the earnings season. So I would expect some kind of a pullback, but I'm still looking for opportunities to buy. Okay, so the trend is very much the upside. So every pullback, there was one, is offering an opportunity to buy. And looking at the 12-minute, there's a wise man number one. So your entry is above the break. Okay, the first two bars didn't really materialize. There's a bar that materialized, and your stop is here. Okay, and the nice thing about this kind of stuff is your stop is 140 points. Okay, so that's kind of, and you can see it's also a double bottom here, there, and there. So 140 points risk for, yeah, a good 500 odd points. You'd keep moving your stop up below every swing low, and this is the area you're more than likely going to get stopped out. Okay, so yes, I think for me at the moment, these are the two fractals to watch. I do anticipate sideways movement or even a sort of a downward channel. Here's my channel. So that's probably what would materialize. I'd say something like that to this level, and then there is like a bit of congestion inside here as well. So those are the two levels that I'd be looking at. And the other thing that I'd also look at would be a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and you can see the 50% right here, 61.8 in this area as well. So that's kind of the area I'm looking at. So I'll give you those levels. That's 50.068. Let's just call it around, that's 49.992, so it's around 50,000. So you're looking for some solid price action around 50,000. Only challenge is your stop is a good 400 and, might as well just make it 450 points. So whatever trade you take, you need to be able to afford that. Okay, so let's just close off with the ichimoku, and we'll just do the hour. So you look at the hour agrees with that strategy of wait for the pullback. So if you're going to trade the short, it's a scalp. Don't get too attached to it. Stop to entry as quick as possible and take profit as quick as possible, because it could reverse at any time. But we are reasonably far away from Kijisen and Tegensen, and they are flat, which is indicating range. So if you look where are the levels we're looking to test in this area here, okay, pretty much the same as what we've got on the Bill Williams. That is the area we were looking for that retest. The 4 hour is a nice solid break. Okay, we did get a break over here above the cloud, and we've now tested it and broken the upside. Kijisen and Tegensen, well, Kijisen is going flat. Okay, we've got bullish signal, bullish signal, bullish signal. This is bullish. So this is a trend reversal that's been confirmed at the moment, but not to say it's going to run a straight line. I'm expecting some kind of a pullback, and back into this zone again is again lining up with a little bit deeper. It will be the flat cloud on the 4 hour, okay, which is 49.889. This fractal here is your stop, okay, and then the last one is on the daily. We've got a daily close above the cloud. Now that is extremely bullish, okay? So we've got Chico span through price, we've got a twist, we've got a breakthrough cloud, but we're still bearish on Kijisen and Tegensen at the moment. Okay, so The rule of thumb is when you see a break like this, never take the break on a higher time frame. Wait for the retest of the cloud. And look where the retest of the cloud is, right back in the area that we're looking at. Okay, so you've got multiple strategies that will be pointing to 50,000 as a retest and a potential entry for another long. And I think that is what I'll be waiting for. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.